In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading feature on the platform WEEX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on WEEX, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. As you can see, this is an exclusive offer to use. Some of the bonuses you can get directly after the sign-up, then after you've transferred some money to your futures account. And then here, these big bonuses are claimable after you reach certain trading volume milestones. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and then click on sign up and receive a new user gift. After that, you simply need to set a password and you already created your account. So once you have created your account and you log in for the first time, you'll get to this page right here. And to directly get to the demo trading feature, you simply go up here to futures and click on demo trading. Then you'll get to this demo trading platform right here. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as the normal one. So you can choose the trading pair up here, see the price chart, order book, see your open trades down here, and open long and short positions. If you create your account with the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get $50,000 of demo funds in here, which you can now use to try out the entire platform without any risk and without having to use your real money first. Once you feel comfortable with all the features on here, you can then switch to the live trading feature by just going here to the USDTM futures. And if you need more tutorials on how to trade on here, all the features, I have many more videos on WEEX on my channel. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $30,000 in rewards by using the first link down in the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.